What's up guys, for today's video we're going to put to the test battery operated fill tanks. Let's see what they're all about. A lot of you probably work with these 5-gallon gas tanks and they get really heavy, especially when you fill it up, transfer it into the car or four-wheeler or lawnmower. It could be pretty heavy, especially for elderly people. So this is why they make this one, so it's supposed to be easier not to tilt it, just I guess pump it by the batteries. Let's pop them open. Boom. There's 3 different attachments in here for different gas cans, and here's our pump. Okay, there you go. This is what it's gonna go inside of the gas tank. Hopefully it will be long enough. Yeah, that looks a lot longer than needed. That's good. And I do like that this pump is also very tall. This one goes in straight down, also tall enough for this 5-gallon cans, no problem with that. But this one don't have the screw on, so this one you just put it in and I guess you take it out and put the lid. But this one I'm pretty sure you can just keep it in a gas canister. So honestly I'm just gonna put to the test this one today. I think this is a little better design, and look at it, there's on and off. Looks like we need 4 AA batteries. Okay, first of all, let's see the installation. Take this off and then we're gonna put this in. Let's see what it looks like. Looks like this is a little bit too small, so we will need one of these attachments. So let's see. Wow, this one even too big. Maybe this one. No, they don't work for this one. Oh, this is not fun. This one works with the diesel fuel can right here with a smaller lip. So I guess you just have to find a canister that these attachments are actually going to work with. There is lots of different type of canisters, so you just have to play it around and make sure you find one that is going to fit. Anyways, now we know that this doesn't work. We still can use it by just taking off the cap from a regular gas can. Let's just lay it here for now. We can use it later. We put 4 AA batteries in there. Close this. Okay, now we can, it's on off. We're going to push it in like this, and we're not going to close it. We're just going to hold it like that. Then if we need to fill it up, let's say side by side, boom. Then we can put this in, and look, it locks in. This is nice. And then let's try to turn it on. Oh wow, this pumping really fast actually. Let's turn it off, and boom, wow, all the gas actually went back. That's so cool. Now we can take it off, make sure everything goes back, pours out from the hose. This is cool. Wow. Look how easy it is to transfer gas. You put it in and you press it and it's pumping. Wow, that's so cool, and I don't have to lift it anymore. Then I can press it off. All the gas goes back into the container. Just wait a little bit till it's all siphons back. I wish I would find a lid that I can just keep it inside there and just plug it in. So that way I don't have to even lose these drops of the gasoline and just keep inside of this canister. I love this. This thing is actually amazing. And just find a different adapter, and once I'm done pumping the gas, all I have to do is just plug it into this side, I guess. Yep. It plugs in into here. And that way you can just keep your pump just like that. I like that a lot. So it's like a mini gas station in your own house, so that way you don't have to hold 5-gallon bucket up here and it would be really heavy. Well guys, I've seen enough. I'm definitely using these little pumps for my 5-gallon tanks because those are pretty heavy to hold and it takes a while to fill it up. Also, the flow is very fast. I was surprised by that. I thought it's gonna be barely peeing, but it's actually pouring really fast. The only one disappointment is there's no attachment for my 5-gallon gas tank, so I might have to figure something out and maybe find different attachment that fit my 5-gallon tank, because I would like to just keep it inside of my 5-gallon tank or gas canister, whatever you call it. But I think it's very useful gadget. You don't want to hold it up and break your back all day. This way you have like a mini gas station in your own house. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this gadget. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time.